You ask us if you could be completely bald and still get a hair transplant. The answer is absolutely yes. Hair transplant can always make improvement. If you are completely bald in a sense that you're class 7 of hair loss, so you just have a rim of hair on the scalp, and even that rim of hair is not very generous, you still can remove some. We can remove some of those hairs and put them on the frontal area and create a hairline for you, or appearance of having a different pattern of hair loss. So you don't have to be class 7 with that rim of hair on the scalp. You could be class 4 with some receded hairline and some good hair on top, and again some thinning of the crown. Again, it has to do with your personal situation. Sometimes people are having just limited hair here on the back, but they have a good beard. So you can use hair from the beard and give them full head of hair. Some people don't have beard or scalp hair. We can use body hair. So there's so many different options we can use with current technologies that we have.